An Unadoptablesaurus has stumbled upon a new community and now surveys the land for prey.
Me want to fight Unadoptablesaurus for cookie!
Scram!
I, Super Grover, will now attempt to fly. Up, up, and away!
Everybody, it's me, Elmo. Yada-da-da. What weapon should we use to torture the Unadoptablesaurus? Should we use a hand grenade, a bomb, or a tank? What's that? A tank? Okay, yay!
And once again, the Unadoptablesaurus' inability to adapt proves to be its undoing.